welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Stacy. Yes, this is the face behind the channel. It's been a while since I've been on front facing, but I thought I would jump in, say hello, and kind of give you a preview of what this video entails. As you can tell, I am in my craft room, and this is going to be a series of me transitioning from this room to another room in my house. I'm actually moving upstairs to a bigger room, and I'm going to combine this space with my work space. So I have a lot of purging and organizing to do to fit everything into the new area, and I thought I would take you guys along with me. So the next couple of clips is going to be an overview of this room and then the room that I've already started to transition into. So I hope that you will follow along. If you're anything like me, you will love organization videos, planning spaces for the crafts that you love to do, and that is what my intentions are with this video, is to give you an introduction and kind of take you along with my process. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when the next series begins. And without further ado, let's take a look at what we're dealing with. I wanted to first show you what I'm dealing with in terms of transitioning from one room to the other. And this is a smaller room, if I had to guess, maybe 10 by 8. I'm not sure. My husband would know the measurements, but this is the door. This is the closet, and you guys a little sneak peek of what's in there. I have this center desk that has storage underneath. I have a calyx. It's a 4 by 2, so 8 cubes. And then I have all this stuff sitting on top of it. And then I think you've seen in other videos, I've shown my, I think it's called Hoga. I'll put the name up here, but these are from IKEA. It's 2 bookcases and then a dresser. I think initially I'm going to leave the dresser in this room. It's going to be hard enough just to get these 2 cabinets up the stairs and this desk. So I'm going to, how would you say, limit my request of my husband in terms of what else needs to go upstairs in the room. I do have this pegboard. I have a couple of storage carts. I have another small unit that I had bought to fill in that gap, and then my paper sorter. And then I have 2 carts back there. And so, again, storage down here. I am sort of at a oh, how would you say, conundrum in terms of where do I start. I was sort of thinking starting with the closet, because this way I could start purging and figuring out what I want to keep. So like everything up there is Christmas. These are a lot of extra boxes because, you know, we keep boxes, we cannot throw them away. I know I'm not alone. And down here is a lot of planner totes, bags, filler pages for like a mini happy planner. I think I have some craft stuff in there. I have Christmas and file stuff, personal file stuff in there. Probably kids' memories, kinds of things. And then when you come to this side of the closet, this is where I have my scrapbook paper. And all of this, I do have the pull-out table. That's for my Cricut. That's actually hanging off the side of it. And then I have another storage shelf with extra planners in it. More extra boxes, more scrapbook paper, and up there are scrapbook albums. I have no idea what's in that box, honestly. Yeah, so I'm not sure where to start. I'm a little overwhelmed of where to begin, and so I'm just wanting to keep it real with you, but I also want to kind of gauge your interest in watching the process. Are you interested in seeing how all of this goes upstairs to the new studio, craft slash workspace, Croffice? I heard somebody refer to their new space as their studio. I don't know if that term fits for me because I'm not a full-time content creator. I still have a regular job that's actually my workspace, so I'm not sure what term to use, but I wanted to get this video out there for accountability so that if anyone has interest in it, they will hopefully message me and be like, hey, how's it going? When are we going to see the finished space, etc.? It won't be for a little while. I think I'll be working on this little by little during the summer. But I, again, wanted to gauge your interest in seeing the nitty-gritty, the bits and pieces of the transition, or are you more interested in just the final reveal? So let me know down in the comments. In the meantime, I'm going to take you upstairs so you can see the new space and the progress that has been made thus far in terms of I moved my work desk in there. So see you in the next space. Okay, so I wanted to share clips of the progress as this room transitions. So here it is. I've brought in my work related materials, items, desk, whatever you want to call it. These came out of a Calyx system that I had sitting behind me for my work area. I've got the closet that I will need to start working on taking everything out and determining what's going to go in there. We temporarily have put these in here. Temporary meaning I need to move them away so that my husband can cut the baseboards. I need like 1 more inch for 2 of these shelves, this middle unit, and 2 shelves here, like bookcases. So there is my nice, beautiful window that I have now. This is the Calyx unit that I had behind me in my previous space where I had my desk, my work desk. So it's just a 6-piece Calyx, and I did put gold feet. There's my walking pad. Here is my work desk. It is a standing desk, my chair, and then the chair mat. And so the idea is that in this middle section is where my craft desk is going to go, And I'm hoping that now having 2 of these cabinets, I will have more storage for everything that I own. This one actually has 3 drawers and 2 cabinets. I actually picked up this whole unit from Facebook Marketplace for $250. I scored someone else's loss was my gain. They moved apparently and it didn't fit in their new space, and so they just needed to get rid of it. Full price, this whole setup is like $800. So, I mean, put together, very small blemishes. I think it's got a little bit of some water stains on the top of the unit over there, but otherwise great condition. I just need to change out the knobs, and I'm so excited about that. But I'm hoping at some point to I don't know, do some custom cabinets inside the closet and maybe even take off the doors. But I think in general, this is going to be a really good space to do my crafting, planning, journaling, scrapbooking, but also use my work desk in here as well, because previously it was in my master bedroom and I just felt like I just didn't like being in there. And I know not everybody has that privilege or luxury to have an extra space dedicated to a craft room, let alone a workspace. So I'm very glad to have this, and I'm excited to kind of film this process as this whole space room evolves. So keep on watching.